signs for Spruce Knob and Spruce Knob Lake. Okay, so definitely on 112 now. There's a sign. This is definitely a nice ride up through here as you climb the mountain. Got a whole bunch of switchbacks you go around. Had to pop open a visor. I got warm. Hopefully it's not too loud for the mic. Now definitely got a really nice view off to the left through the trees. It's nice too being here this early in the year. You don't have all the green, you still see through. Definitely didn't take that corner well. Went into it a little too tight. Forgot to look at the elevation whenever I came on this. Now we're, like I said, it was definitely already up from the valley floor. So I don't know where it would have started at. Already up around 3,600 feet. Coming to this one a little bit better. Coming just a little wider. Oh, look at that. That felt so much better. Definitely for being up in the middle of nowhere like this, pretty okay road surface. Yeah, you got some, like, I don't even call them potholes, like dips in the road here and there. It's definitely got a pickup coming. It's wide enough for a pickup and a bike, but multiple cars, you know, oncoming, definitely be a different story. With the weather being real nice, definitely gotta take caution with the corners. A lot of blind stuff. Have someone coming around paying attention. Doesn't matter what section of road you're on, whatever state, area, there's always a pickup with a trailer somewhere along it. Nice views out there. Also too, it's nice with the clouds. Makes some of the mountains look cooler. Nice of that guy to pull off. Should be at now 40, almost 4,400. There's a sign up here, the parking area, that says the elevation. This is the highest point in West Virginia, Spruce Knob. That's a nice view over there. I'm gonna stop there. That little pull off on the way back down. After, looks like run up 112, then you make a right onto 104. So there's a sign, you know, for Spruce Knob. Not going to the lake because that's definitely back gravel and. Yeah, the chance, it's probably maintained, but definitely a chance of it being a rougher road. And this is one of those bikes that, if I don't have to take it back, something like that, I don't. Definitely tell a nice temperature difference from the campground I'm staying at down in the valley up to here. It's not cold. It'll probably drop at least 10-15 degrees. Extra windy too up here. A couple nice gusts there. To the point that I pinned on my GPS, I'm not positive on if that's the main parking area or not, so definitely gonna may have to turn off of the route. Yep, that definitely wasn't correct, so here we are, Spruce Knob. And hop off the bike and check it out. Definitely really nice views down off the sides of this mountain. Well, we couldn't have got a better day to come up here too. Did a little bit of walking around up there, checking out the views. Wasn't sweating, yeah, like pouring off of me. Definitely a good time. Right. After I said that, my glasses are fogging up in the helmet. Pop that thing back open. Really nice. A few years ago, I got a picture of my sports turtle. Let's pull off. Why not get a picture of the Ultra up here? Pop off here for a moment. Had a really nice view. So, but I'm gonna get myself back down to the campsite and get something to eat. Yeah, nice ride today.